SDG community is about building partnerships,
collaboration and working together to achieve our mutual goal.
Leaders with character.
Leave no student behind.
The SDG community today is all about inclusivity.
A future where human and nature can live in harmony together.
Better life
Should be more focused on the root causes for environmental degradations.
Better public transportation system.
Komuniti SDG pada hari ini perlu lahirkan lebih ramai sukarelawan yang berwibawa.
Requires more youth participation.
more inclusive.
needs more youth advocates.
Inclusive and accessible.
Let's create youth champion.
We'll start helping the orang asli in the more sustainable way.
SDG rocks!
Needs to share and connect.
Should be empowered to advocate for the needs of their community.
Needs empowerment through non-formal education.
To help educate children in your community.
SDG communities today need to promote active lifestyle in all walks of life. Volunteerism in SDG is a free yet priceless act.
Education is a tool of change.
Education cannot wait.
Pelibatan semua untuk pastikan apa juga yang diperlukan itu berlaku. Menyelesaikan masalah-masalah yang dah lama berada.
Bersama sebagai satu pasukan, NGO, kerajaan, swasta dan orang ramai.
Must be far more inclusive, just and fair to all human beings.